Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm not going to sing it. I'll leave the singing to those that can sing. But I'll show you the chords. So what do we got? Let's get in nice and close. All right then, so the first chord that we've got is an E minor chord. And we're going to play it just like this. Finger 2, fret 2 on the A string. Finger 3, fret 2 on the D string. Okay, from here, we're going to change to a C major 7. And we're going to do that like this. We're going to take third finger off. We're going to lighten the second finger. Then we're just gently going to glide it up 1 fret to fret 3. Then we're going to place first finger down just here. So it's kind of 1/2 of a C add 9 chord. But we're going to leave all these strings on the bottom here all open. Okay, one final thing to add, try to bring your thumb down on the low E string to make sure it's muted. Okay, let's try that again. So first finger comes up, lighten second finger, glide it back, place the third finger down just underneath, E minor. Okay, then we're going to take third finger off, lighten second finger, glide it up 1 fret to fret 2, first finger comes down, fret 2 on the D string, thumb comes down just to gently mute the low E string. Okay, so that's E minor, F major 7. Third chord is a G6 chord. So we just take these 2 fingers here, bring them up 1 string each here. So it's a bit like a normal G chord without this note or these notes, depending on how you play the G. So it's just these 2 fingers here. All the rest is played open. Okay, so let's maybe change from the C major 7. So these 2 fingers here, come back down there. Thumb come down for that chord, remember? C major 7. Now when we change to this G6, we want both fingers here to come up together and down together, okay? We don't want to be going, if possible, 1, 2. So you've got to try and bring them up, maintain the shape of the chord in mid-A, and then bring them down together. Okay, then finally what we're going to do, we're going to change to the last chord, which is kind of like a G6 with an F sharp in the bass. There's also an A note in there. We're not going to worry ourselves too much about the name of that chord. We're just going to think of it as a G with an F sharp in the bass. So what we do is take first finger off here. We're going to lighten the second finger and we're just gently going to glide it back to fret 2. And then that's pretty much it there. So let's just go back to that G6 again. So lighten the second finger, glide it up 1 fret, bring first finger down just here, G6. Take first finger off, lighten second finger, glide it back to fret number 2, and there it is. So let's go around one more time. We've got E minor. So from this last chord here, we're just going to take it off and then come down to the E minor here. Now when you do this, what you want to do is make sure that the 2 fingers form the E minor together and come down at the same time. Just like that. One more time around. So we're going to take third finger off, lighten second finger, glide it up. First finger just there, thumb down there. C major 7. Both fingers up together, down together on the G6. Take first finger off, lighten second finger, glide it back 1 fret, and strum. And that's it there. So let's quickly move into the strumming pattern, okay? So what we've got for this then essentially is down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. It's a little bit fiddly. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. It's not quite exactly the same as the original. I've slightly simplified it, but it's still a bit tricky, okay? So I'll just play through that 2 more times. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. time. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so there's that there. Now, if you want to, you can simplify it even more by just playing all down strums. So 8 down strums per chord. And you'd count them like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and and that there, guys, is pretty much how to play Zombie by the Cranberries. So have a go at that, have fun, take care, and see you all soon. Cheers, bye-bye.